Use the connectors in ActivInspire to draw connections between objects on concept maps, create quick labels, and more. To access connectors, use the connectors icon from your main toolbox, or go to Insert, Connectors. Select from the menu of connectors that appears. You may change the color and width too. Click or press and hold to draw your connector. Use connectors to create labeling activities with just a few clicks. You may always select these annotations with the Selector tool to edit shape points, use the translucency slider, or access Object Edit menu.